everybody, I'm Susan from lvandmore. I hope everybody's having a great Sunday. It's kind of cloudy here today in Harrison, and I have a little bit different video today on my lvandmore channel. It's a DIY project. It's very simple. There's several ways that you can do it. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so you can use felt, you can use spare fabric, whatever you have basically. I got this felt at the dollar store, and basically you can cut any size that you want. I'm just using I cut 4x4 to make it a little bit easier, and I had some really cool stickers, that kind of patches that I basically got in a package at Value Village, so I thought I would use them and make little organizer pouches. You can put makeup in here, you can put earbuds, you can put a lot of stuff. So I thought it'd be kind of fun just to show you what I've done so far. This one is obviously black, and I found this really cool Statue of Liberty patch. And so basically you want to turn it upside down, and you want to kind of center it, you know, as best you can. Go like that. Get up to about right there. And you could sew it first if you want to do it that way, but I'm sewing them by hand. You could probably glue them too, so you may not even have to sew them. So just sewing up here, making a few marks here so you can turn them. All right, and then what I've been using for like the top, you can just use whatever you have. I've been using like some edging, and I'll show you a couple that I've already done, so you kind of know. But it's kind of fun for the whole family, or quality time, you know. All right, so that's one that I finished. Kind of cool. All right, I just had some lace, some extra lace that I had in my sewing basket, and I sewed the pieces, see, after you turn them. And I just hand sewed the top, and that turned out kind of cute. And then I have this other white one that I did. This kind of cool. I think I'm going to put this in my my little Fendi crossbody, because the inside is kind of what do you call it? Like, it's kind of the material's kind of degrading, so I thought this would be kind of cool. Then I just did this little pearl trimming around there, and then turn there, and I just sewed that by hand, and it's pretty quick. It doesn't really, you could probably make it a little bit bigger, but I thought I would just try something simple because I'm a beginner sewer. I'm not really like an expert in sewing or anything, but I had some of these materials left over, and I thought, well, let's see what we could do with them. All right, this is kind of a cool one. I found this patch. All right, and I sewed it all around. I just kind of went around like that, and then I had this kind of, these beads with like some edging. Basically, I'm not quite done. I gotta cut that off and trim it up a bit, but pretty cool. And then you could put lipstick in there. You could put a lot of cool things. Maybe do 1 or 2 in your bag, you know, or give them as gifts. Maybe have the kids or the grandkids when they're over, you know, they could have some fun. Alright, so basically that's all there is to it. Here's my sewing machine. Alright, and what I've been doing is I just stuck it on the side there. Okay. And let's see if I can get my foot pedal. Okay, bear with me here. Okay, I'm doing this one-handed. So. Oh. And then just make sure that you're going back and forth a couple times. And you do it on the other side. And you turn it. And if you want to put anything on the front, you can. Don't have to. You can just kind of create your own one-of-a-kind little organizational pouch. So if you have any questions or anything like that, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe, like, and thanks again for watching LV and More. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye now.